It's poetry time, people. It's winter, so let's take some time quiet and listen to poetry. I wrote this poem last April 7, 2024, and take some time to admire the beautiful light of the north atmosphere. Quiet now and listen. The whole nature speaks to us of a creative force. Earth reminds us of its power. Wind whispers its greatness, while rain, snow make us feel their vigor and their freshness. Moon illuminates us with its soft light, and sun makes us feel its powerful energy. So listen to you, listen, take some time to admire the nature, the beautiful light of the north. Go outside and take some fresh air. Yes. Listen to yourself. Yes. And respect the 4 elements of nature: earth, water, fire, and wind. Take good care of yourself. Thank you for listening.